Okay, today we'll be looking at the Champ PH500XL synthetic oil filter. And you can get this at Rock Auto for $3.67. So let's get started. It looks like it has a, you gotta be nice and tight. Get your air here. Filtration of 99 here. Okay, let's start with the box. 99% efficiency. Optimized for extended mileage with synthetic oil changes. Champion Laboratories. I don't know what the micron rating is though, but we'll see inside here. Let's see. Product of USA. It's got a date code of 070917AF. And she has 8 inlet holes. Louvers, bypass valve down there. And it looks like a synthetic anti-drain back valve with a nitro rubber O-ring. It's on there fairly well. It's got little things there to hold it on. Yeah, it's average, I guess. It's on there pretty good. I mean, some just come right off like nothing, but this one's, you got to use a little effort to get it off. So let's cut this baby open and see what she looks like inside. Okay, here she is cut open. This filter fits some of your Ford Escapes. I believe the V6s, and a variety of other vehicles, of course. Well, let's start with the base plate. It's got a lot of threads on it. It's got probably like 5 threads on there, I see. See, it's like extended. Let's see what she weighs. 3.9 ounces. You got your anti-drain back valve, which is probably the best feature on this oil filter. Well, that and the metal end caps. Nice metal end caps. Bypass valve. I don't know what the setting is though. Goes pretty easy. And it's right here's your seam glue. You got a little sloppy here at the glue, but I counted 59 pleats, and it's supposed to be a synthetic blend media. And it's got a unique stamped leaf spring here. It's just like that. So the oil sneaks by here and goes through there when it goes into bypass. Actually, this will never collapse anyways. This is very it's so big it won't collapse. So it's actually kind of, this is probably better than the your rainbow leaf springs, because this is pretty, you can push on that, it's not doing anything. Yeah, this is actually, I kind of like this design. This is a nice design actually. First one I opened up, they had one like this. Pretty cool. Well, that's another good feature, I guess. And see the can here. I gotta show you something else about it later. 0.3, that's average. The filter media though is well, I should say the whole filter itself. 2.94 inches. That's what it is there. Let's see at the other side. 2.96. 2.98. 2.92. You can see this filter. You can pick this up, but it's 2 different sizes here. see if I get this on camera. Let me get it like this. We got 3.49, and I'll flip it this way. And you got 3.60. There's a big difference. This filter is, you know, higher on one side, lower on the other side. And you can see it there probably. Yeah, right here it's lower here, so it kind of sits crooked. Yeah, I don't know, you know, but otherwise the pleats look pretty good. You know, I don't know if that would make any difference. I don't know. What do you guys think? You think that would matter if that's a little bit crooked? Probably would. I would think it sits in there like this. You know, bypass mode, would it matter? I don't know. Maybe it doesn't even matter. I don't know. Well, you know what? I think you should cut this open and see how long she is. Okay, before I cut her open, I want to see how much she weighs. I forgot to weigh the filter. Let me put this bypass valve in there. This and this. Okay, 10.4 ounces. Okay, now I'll cut her open. Okay, here she is laid out. And she's 46 and about 1/4 inches long. Not too long, but it's a very thick filter media. Okay, well, this filter don't look too bad. I mean, this filter media, here's the seam. It has one of those inside seams. It's a really thick filter media. I wish I knew the filtration numbers on this, but it probably is 99%. Yeah, but at what? Who knows? I don't know the micron rating. Sorry. Wish I did. But it's got some good features. It's got the silicone anti-drain back valve. And if you're going to have a stamped leaf spring, I guess this would be a nice one to have. The only thing I see wrong with this filter is just it's a little crooked. You know, you can see it. Let's see if I can show you here. I don't know if you can pick it up on camera, but it's at its narrow spot. But see, it won't go over that. Watch, let me get it a thick spot here. Here's a wide spot, I mean. And if I turn it, look at the space here. And it's tight there. So it's a little crooked. It's got this, you know, it's leaning, like the leaning tower there. But otherwise, it's a pretty good filter. I mean, just that. I don't know if that would make a difference or not. Yeah, and in next video, I'm going to be comparing this Ford FL500 OEM filter and be comparing it to this one here because they both fit the same vehicles. So I guess I'll wrap this video up. Don't forget about Filter Fridays. Every Friday I cut open a new automotive oil filter right here on this YouTube channel. So if you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and take care.